Hello. This is Julia. We have a broody hen here. So this is how we kind of fix that. We isolate her, although she's out here with her other flock mates. But we put her in a pen. So the key thing to trying to have a hen not be broody anymore is to make so they can't get in the nest. Because otherwise she's been sitting in the nest all day long. I was taking her out once or twice to get her out of there so she could eat and poop and everything, but she still kept going back in. So we did this once before with another hen that was broody, and it works. So she spilled her food, so I'm gonna have to refill that. So all you want to do is make sure they are isolated, not like closed in a box, but just put away from so that they cannot get in the coop or wherever they're used to nesting. And so she'll stay in here for the day, and then towards nighttime I will let her out, and if she goes into the nest and gets in a nest box, then I will put her in the Tuff shed and in a pen, and she'll spend the night there. And the key is you don't want any bedding, because that will trigger their nesting instincts. So you just want to have food, water, and you know, something for her to do. So she's out here. She can still peck at the ground and everything. Hello, Tammy. And then that's kind of it. And then it only took 48 hours, 2 nights for the last hen that this happened to, and you know, after that, boom, back to normal. You know, you wouldn't even know it ever happened. So hoping this is a quick one. I'm gonna go fill up her food, although there's plenty on the ground there that she spilled. But and that's it. You just need to keep them out of the nest, and then keep them out. So you know, I want her to get sunshine and stuff. So she's out here. She's perfectly safe from predators or anything. And that's it. It usually doesn't take too long, and then they're back to normal. Thank you.